Gotta love plumbing. Plumbing jobs, especially the sink that's clogged. Simple stuff. So let's take a look at this. Alright, so you guys probably can't see it, but there's something in there. So I'm gonna get my pliers, and you see that there's standing water right now. Not going down, right? So I got my vacuum because I'm prepared to take this pipe apart. But let's see what this is right here. Okay, nothing. So looks like we are going to have to take this apart. Never use this. That's one problem right there. So I'm gonna drain that first. Doesn't look that bad. All right, so this is clear. So it must be in here somewhere. Whoa, look at that. There's definitely a blockage in there. Hey, so I didn't get the footage of the results of what happened to that plumbing job. So I end up calling. I end up not able to finish the job. So what I did was call another plumber I know. He came by the. Oh, actually, this is what I did. I actually went to the Ace Hardware across the street. They already used Drano, so I end up getting some Green Gobbler. Poured both, like it's like a double container thing. I poured both of them in there, and I told them in an hour pour some hot water in there, and then call me and let me know if it fixed the clog or not. So they called me. They said no, it didn't work. So I ended up calling my plumber guy, and I told him the situation, and he went there the next day. I ended up being in the area the next day. I went with him. He had this auger, the snake auger with by Milwaukee, and was able to clear the drain. So that's how we fixed it. The client was happy. This is the second time my plumber friend has came through for me. He came through. No, it's actually the third time. Both times has been jobs where I just didn't want to do it. Like I was like, I don't have the tools, I don't have the time. Actually, it was just I didn't have the time, and I trusted him more to do it than me coming back and finding or somebody else. So yeah, just some jobs I know like this is beyond my skill set, and I'll call a plumber to do it. Or actually, it'll be what it's starting to become right now is that I'm just busy, like extremely busy, and a part of that's because like overbook myself, or I just I forget how to I slack in prioritizing, and so I started making a network of other trades and other people like plumbers, electricians, flooring, painters, so they could take on these jobs. And I just asked, we work out a number, like a percentage, like I think it's like 15%. Like, hey, if I give you this job, just give me 50% of what you make, and it works out. So there's some jobs I have to like just pass up on, even though the client trusts me, but trust me to do it. But they also trust me to find somebody to do it correct if I can't do it at the time that they need it. So that's what's been happening. So I still got a little profit from it. And yeah, I suggest you whoever's trying to be a handyman or a contractor, get you some other, build you a network of other trades. So once you get land that big job of doing a remodel or an add-on, you have these contacts already in your list, and you can just call them and say, hey, I got a big job, I need this and need da 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 da, and then you're on your way. So that's what I did. Got the job done, got paid, and we're on to the next one.